Welcome to another walk along, and today this weekend we have a guest with us, Hugo. Say hello, Hugo. There's Stella gone, there she is. Careful. Careful. Oh, you're struggling, mate. I don't think we should go that way. We're going to have to go this way. Oh, look at that. It's like the Travelator on Gladiators. No, mate, we're not going that way today. No ball there. No, we'll go get some space. Bit wet up here though, Stella. Hope everyone's enjoying the Friday and they've got good plans for the weekend. I'd like to thank everyone who watches the videos and comments. Really interesting to see so many people not from England, so thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Hopefully we'll have some good content now the sun's starting to come out. Don't know how two people walk with two dogs all the time. It's hard work, man. Watch him slip. Oh, shower for you, mate. Anyway, it's been emotional. I'll catch you on the next one.